Welcome back, students. In today's class, we have continued the lesson Force and Types of Force of Standard 6 Science. Dear students, today we have completed the lesson. What all things we have come to know in this entire chapter? First of all, we have studied about what is force. After that, we studied 6 different types of force. The first one force was muscular force. Force applied with the help of muscles is called the muscular force. After that, we came to know about mechanical force. The force applied by means of a machine is called mechanical force. The third one force which we studied was gravitational force. The force applied by the earth to pull objects towards itself is called gravitational force. The gravitational force was discovered by Sir Isaac Newton in 17th century. And after that we studied that the greater force must be applied to lift a greater weight. This was all about what we have studied in previous class, first period of this lesson. In today's class, we continued the 3 more forces: magnetic force, frictional force, and electrostatic force. The force exerted by a magnet is called magnetic force. What is frictional force? The frictional force is the force which acts opposite to the doing action, whichever action you are doing. You are walking, you are playing with a ball, you are cycling a bicycle. So the force is acting opposite to the activity whatever you are doing. That is the force between the two objects. Now whenever you are cycling a bicycle, that time the two objects are, one is the cycle and another one is the surface of the ground. So that is the force between the cycle and the surface of the ground. So that was all about frictional force. Lastly, we have studied about electrostatic force. Electrostatic force is present in the substances like rubber, plastic, and ebonite. The force exerted by such electrically charged material is called electrostatic force. After this studying of 6 different types of forces, we came to know about what is a combined force. When 2 or more forces are applied doing a single activity, a single work, that time it is called as combined force. Cycling a bicycle time, you are using 3 different types of forces, right? A muscular force, a frictional force, as well as a mechanical force is used. Same way, some other activities are also there which takes more than 2 forces. So those are combined force. Students, today we have completed this lesson. In the next period, we shall begin with a new chapter. Thank you.